Hey, I'm Lindsay Hardy, a product manager at Roots. Welcome to this demo of Insights. Success in insurance depends on access to data and insights. As a leader of your insurance business, you need up-to-date, actionable business intelligence to run your business. But too often, getting access to critical data is slow and difficult. You might be experiencing some of these pains. Like you're paying for expensive BI tools that are complex and difficult to set up. Perhaps your policy, applications, payments, and claims data is siloed in different systems and with different teams. Or maybe you're forced to rely on your data teams to set up even basic reports. The problem is, without immediate, accurate insights, data trends emerge too late. Decision-making suffers and opportunities slip away. That's why we're introducing Insights. No complexity, no delays, no extra tools. Insights is designed for business leaders. You don't need any extra BI tools or SQL knowledge to use it. It's seamlessly integrated in your experience. Simply log into the Root dashboard for immediate access. Insights refresh automatically, pulling up-to-date information from all your data on the Root platform. You can easily give access to other stakeholders or quickly export a snapshot PDF. And now it's time for a demo. Welcome to your Insights overview page, where you can get a high-level view of key metrics on your insurance book. You can choose a time frame that you would like to review, and your metrics will automatically update based on the time frame you select. Filter by product, so you can analyze the performance of a single product or multiple products at the same time. On the policy screen, you'll be able to immediately diagnose the health of your insurance book, analyze growth metrics like active policy growth, and track policyholder retention with a breakdown of your policies categorized by status. On the applications screen, you'll be able to assess how successful your distribution channels are at converting customers with applications data and conversion rates. Understand the profitability and sustainability of your business using claims insights. Analyze key metrics like your claims ratio and average claim resolution time. Now you can act quickly to reduce high claims ratios so you can remain competitive. Gain insights on your customer base on the policyholder screen, with key data like average policyholder age and breakdowns of gender and top locations. The payments screen gives you a bird's eye view of how successful you are at collecting premiums from your policyholders. This will help you diagnose any collection issues immediately. Unlock growth with better business intelligence using Insights on Root today.